Connect DisplayPort devices to HDTVs and monitors. Easily connect your DisplayPort-enabled devices to HDTVs and HDMI monitors with the DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. This male DisplayPort to female HDMI adapter allows you to instantly stream high-quality video and audio from laptops, desktops and tablets that have a DisplayPort output to your HDMI television or computer monitor using a separate HDMI cable, not included. What's in the box? DisplayPort, male, to HDMI, female adapter. At a glance. Transmit audio and video from DisplayPort to HDTVs and monitors. High-resolution support of up to 1080p, 1920x1080. Adds HDMI functionality to devices with only DisplayPort output. Use for movies, presentations, photo slideshows and more. Simple plug-and-play connectivity. Cable components. Adapter cable, short length for easy portability. DisplayPort, 1x20 pin male, connects to your laptop, desktop or tablet. HDMI Type A, 1x19 pin female, connects to an existing HDMI cable connected to your HDTV, monitor or sound system. DisplayPort cables offer the ideal digital display interface standard for maximum high-definition performance. This adapter supports 1080p high-definition resolution on HDTVs, 1920x1080 pixels, as well as transmitting HD audio signals for an all-in-one AV solution. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. Fast delivery. GTX 1070Ti DisplayPort 1.4 to HDMI 1920 by 1080 monitor. Works fine.